Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the euro dollar. I've got it open on a 4-hour chart. We'll just go out quickly and I'll show you what I've got drawn up here, marked up on the chart. Well, actually this level, we'll go to the weekly and I'll show you this. This level up here, just taking this range further back off this candle wick, pulling it across. So we've got this weekly resistance and having a bit of a tough time breaking through that. Then we've got the daily time frame. So we've had a crack at it a couple of times and we're currently trading under. Thing to note about this is the weekly open. Keep an eye on how it trades around the weekly open. So if we look at Monday down here, this is the weekly open. Mark it up, and I'm expecting this to retrace level weekly open, possibly back down. Look at this thin candle, and then we've got this daily balance area back down in here. What I've done is I've marked up this red candle here, this daily. You know, we could even narrow that down. Let's just take the body. Let's take the week high and the body here open. That's not a bad level. So this range between the weekly and this daily is what I'm interested in. You want to be pretty careful with this. Don't underestimate how far this can pull back. So if we consider the market is looking for liquidity and it's looking to rebalance, okay, so we've got a ton of liquidity resting under here. We've got a lot of retail traders in here, long stop losses galore. So this is ripe for the picking all through this level here down. And so don't underestimate how far this can retrace. What else can I show you? In fact, we've got on the 4-hour chart, well, we've got this imbalance through here. We'll just mark that, color that purple. We'll just do that. And then we've also got, like if we have a look at this candle here, the candle left and the candle right, we can pull that through. Same thing. Down here, well, yeah, not much, but you know, it's possible that this could trade all the way back down through these levels here, looking to rebalance. Okay, this is so the 4-hour time frame, and then we've got that. So these are levels to be mindful of. And if you pick up a Fibonacci, okay, so we've got a bullish trend. We grab a fib from the low to the high. See the 618786? Okay, so that works. If you consider this pulls back through, looking to rebalance, you know, a touch on the 618, possibly. I mean, we could get a shallow pullback in a strong trend, but what I would consider here would be this level all the way down through. I would call this my buy zone, and I set up a fairly wide zone. This could give us a shallow pullback and move. So I'm inclined to go in with a, let's say, if we get a touch here, go in with a small position. So that would be a buy, entry buy. Further down, actually, I'll just copy that. So there's my first pending buy order, and then we'll copy that, pull that down. I mean, you can set up 2 or 3 of these if you like, something like that. That's what I would be doing. In fact, I would probably do that because what I'm really looking for is, I'll just delete this and I'll show you what I'm really wanting with this setup. I would like to perhaps see this here take off, and that's the trade that I'm really wanting. If this continues further down, these two, okay, so we'll set these up at 0.2% of my account each. So we got 0.4. It doesn't take long for this to be in the money, and this gives us an opportunity then, you know, if it does spike down through here, to shut the trade down and be in profit. That's how I generally do this. All right. So if we get a fill here, well and good. Travels further south, I'm going to close it because I want to see how this reacts. If it pulls back this deep and does it shape up again for further move north, I would close the trade and then look for another opportunity. What else can I say about this? Guys, actually, by the way, if you haven't already, click the links below, join my free Telegram group. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say? We've got the euro dollar. I'm looking for an opportunity long. I want to see this pull back down into these zones. Stop loss. Yeah, we can do that. Under, copy, paste. Stop loss. Yeah, be careful. Going to go deep. So we'll just call that our SL. And then targets. Target 1. I'll just copy that. Copy and paste. Just watching these levels here. We've got these lows back here. So target 1 would be here. Now I'm probably going to take most of my position off at target 1. Call that T1. Take 2/3 of my position off. Target 2. Have a look here. We've got this weekly. Let's just go up midway through this weekly somewhere. So we'll call that T2. And yeah, I mean, that looks good. I mean, what I tend to do is take 2/3 off early and trail it, see how far we go with it, and if this 4-hour trend continues, just stay with it, follow it with your stop loss until we get a break of structure on the 4-hour time frame. That's how I would approach this. Okay guys, so that's it. Euro dollar. Smash the likes, comment, do all that stuff, join, click the links, and hope you have a great day. Safe trading. We'll see you in the next one.